When you type subliminals on YouTube, you can literally scroll and find the weirdest things. There is a subliminal for absolutely everything that you could imagine. Hi! What happens if I tuck this under? I love to delve deep into the dark side of YouTube. Today I want to talk to you guys about subliminal messages. I'm also going to talk to you about my journey when it comes to subliminal messages, because I'm telling you guys, this is like a complete and utter minefield. I never know how to start these videos off, and I don't want to have like a huge intro, so we're just going to dive straight into it. Subliminal messages are basically everything that comes into your mind that you're not aware of. So you've got your conscious mind, which is paying attention to like one thing, but then when you listen to subliminal messages, it seeps into like the back of your mind. The human brain has so many things to process every day that the conscious mind can't really take in. Say for example, I'm in this room and I've got things written on the wall, I've got things hanging up, I've got my shoes, I've got the floor, I've got the camera, I've got the TV that I'm looking at. But right now my focus is on the conversation. So my conscious mind is paying attention to what I'm talking about, and then my subconscious is taking in everything else. I know a lot of people that are small-minded and they like to believe that life is just roses and butterflies and blah 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 blah. But what I'm here to tell you is that subliminal messages are used in everything. And I mean everything. Film, television, commercials, music. Subliminal messages can be hidden in absolutely everything. Whether it's good or bad, we don't know. You guys know how much I love to research things, and I dive pretty deep. So there's this whole community on YouTube of people that have made subliminals for self-improvement. And you guys know that I am absolutely obsessed with self-improvement. So obviously I had to check this out. As this knowledge has expanded and people have started to get into this, when you type subliminals on YouTube, you can literally scroll and find the weirdest things. There is a subliminal for absolutely everything that you could imagine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in subliminals and I'm just going to show you guys what comes up on this search. So at the top here you see smaller waist and flat toned stomach subliminal. Intense, grow taller, incredibly fast, 100% guarantee powerful subliminal. Perfect teeth. You can grow your boobs bigger. Clear skin. This one I really like. Seductive beauty combo. Slay subliminals. Ultra powerful weight loss subliminal. Ultimate glow up. Powerful forced subliminal. Intense glow up. Goddess glow up. Get a sharp jawline. Long legs, get taller. Get your ex back and call / text you. You can get your ex back by listening to subliminals. What the hell? Now, I don't mean to be a bit of a fun sucker. If you guys want me to experiment with this and you want me to try some of these more extreme subliminals, let me know. But I have this I have this fear, right, that if I start using subliminals to mess with my body, something horrific might happen, you know what I mean? Like if I listen to one that's like, grow your butt bigger, what if I wake up one morning and my eye has fallen out or something? Or what if like my hair grows more and then I get acne? I just kind of feel like it's too good to be true. Are you intrigued? So was I. So the way that subliminals are supposed to work is that you're not supposed to hear what's being said. So you'll look for a subliminal on YouTube and then you'll see what the subliminals are in the description box. But all you can hear is music. The more that you listen to subliminals, the more that they're going to work. They also always say that you need to drink loads of water, and I don't know why. Apparently, if you don't stay hydrated, it doesn't work. So obviously I've been looking into spirituality and stuff like that for quite a while, and I did see that there was a study about the effect that it has on water when you speak good words into it and then when you speak bad words into it. The molecules actually react to the vibration of the words that you're saying. If you speak good words into water, the molecules kind of separate really beautifully, but I could really dive deep into this, and I need to do my research more, but that's where the whole water thing comes from. So anyway, I decided to dive deeper. Because I thought to myself, if you can't hear what's being said in these videos, then how can you trust just a random YouTube channel that's posting what supposedly is the subliminals? What if there's some evil people out there that actually put horrible subliminals in? And that's when I discovered Rose Subliminals. They posted all of these subliminals on YouTube and people listened. And the theory in my mind is that people started listening to the subliminals and they started experiencing really negative effects. Someone decided to dissect the subliminals, and what they found was absolutely horrific. The video that I saw on YouTube was exposing what they were saying underneath a Nicki Minaj song. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't really like the sound of listening to a subliminal that's like normal music. I'd rather listen to something like meditation music or something, so just bear that in mind because we're going to get onto that. This person had posted a subliminal, and hidden in the video was messages that read, "I will destroy their mind, I will destroy their memory, I destroy their thoughts, and I destroy their soul." There are some evil people out there. Really evil. I don't know what would possess a person to make videos that are deliberately harming people's mental health. I dread to think how many people listened to these subliminals and suddenly started to feel like they were plummeting into depression. Because whether you believe in this or not, you know, it's one thing to believe that you can change your physical appearance with subliminal messages, but it's a whole nother ball game when you take into account your mental health and how that could be affected by subliminals. This person's channel obviously got deleted, or they decided to delete it anyway because they'd been found out, but what's stopping that person from creating another channel? When I first started listening to subliminal messages, I didn't know about this, but I had a suspicion that there would be somebody out there that was doing this. I'm a strong believer in trusting your intuition and kind of going with that, and if you have a gut feeling about something, usually you're right. What I would recommend to people is, if this kind of thing scares you, I would make my own subliminals. Because I do music and I know how to produce, I could make my own subliminals, but what I did was I actually found one channel in particular that I don't know why, but I just trusted it. That was in 2018. I will link that below. I listened to this subliminal on repeat every single night. Oh my god, it scared me. Oh, tea. Thank you. So yeah, I listened to this subliminal every single night for a year and a half. I literally had it on repeat. And the subliminal that I listened to was for self-love and self-acceptance. Now, this could be a placebo, but nonetheless, I feel like it worked. Over the past year and a half, I feel like I've made a lot of progress with self-love and self-acceptance. I've come in leaps and bounds, and I do credit a lot of it to do with the subliminals. But then again, I could be downplaying my own progress because this could just be personal growth. Anyway, I just thought that I'd share this with you guys because I find it so interesting, and it's also made me very consciously aware of what I'm letting into my subconscious mind. For example, I don't watch commercials, I don't listen to adverts. Whenever the adverts come on the TV, for example, I will always hit the mute button because you don't know what's being played underneath. And in general, like, you know, when you go into a shopping centre and you feel really drained afterwards, I feel like that's a symptom of sensory overload. So it might be a combination of the fact that I'm not taking in negative subliminals. If you want to comment your experiences with subliminals, make sure to comment below because I'm not done with this subject. Let me know if you've had bad experiences, good experiences, if you're interested in trying it. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Love you, bye!